The one project that I get the most questions about is my Model T, and I haven't uploaded a video in more than a year. That's because the engine was being rebuilt. His estimate went pretty long, which is not really a big deal, except a few times when he left me hanging for a few months, not knowing what the status was. But that's over. I picked it up yesterday. It's back in hand, back at its forever home. So it has new Babbitt, ground crank, reconditioned rods, a new 280 stipe cam, reconditioned field coil, magnets, a couple new transmission drums, new pistons that I showed before, 40 over. The block, the hogshead, and the head are mine. He had to swap out the pan because mine was bent on both sides. But it's pretty close to being ready to go. I need to get a carburetor and some manifolds and a timer. I already have some coils ready to go. And in preparation for picking it up, I built this crate for it so that I could transport it safely, not just sitting on a tire or something. And so I can roll it around my shop. This was all just leftover lumber and 4 casters. I made it sit fairly level. I put some 2x4s on the back side so it couldn't slide back. I put a lower crossbeam in the middle so that it couldn't slide forward. So even though it's not bolted in, it's pretty secure. This is going to be some good motivation to get this thing running. I could probably run it in this crate. That's pretty tempting actually. But I am working on the frame right now as well. And that'll be the next video. That should be a quick one. I'll make a couple quick ones. I'll do a walk around just to show some shiny goodness. I did get my grubby hands on it a little bit as I was unloading. I didn't know what that transmission cover was until I took it to him and I started doing some research. And actually very faintly there it says cools afford. It's supposed to be some sort of vent, that some snake oil thing that, oh yeah, it'll cool your transmission and your engine will run forever. The screen had to be sacrificed during the rebuild of this, so I'll get a new screen for that. But that's my original hogshead. It was pretty rough, and he said it was pretty rough, but he was able to clean it up. I'm not sure if these are my original pedals, or if all of them are my original pedals. I'll have to check some videos. I don't think that's my original 4th main. It's good to see my giant power head back in action. I have to always go back to when I first got this and the guy was like, "It's a Perkins diesel."